Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can request an appointment to submit your passport application in Canada. Before I proceed further, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this eService Canada website. Here you have a section for passport service. Some exceptions are there. Like if you need it within 2 business days, you can't use this tool. You need to go to this specialized sites and get it done. If you have a non-urgent travel date and no appointment available, you can find a passport service location and that you can visit without an appointment. Okay, so if it's not like that, you can go from here. So here first you need to select what language you want, what type of service. Okay, earliest travel date, number of applications, how many are applying, if the does it apply to you, asking for a name that isn't same. Okay, one passport brand. So just select what is applicable in your case and then go from there. So you need to put your details here, location. Okay, and then you can go on next. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll show you. It is asking you for additional services if you need. I select no. Now you can search over here. Okay, so I'm just searching for a random stuff. Let's say if I search for Toronto. You can select one, which one is there. No appointment available. Okay, here you get some. January and February you have got some. So with this you can book an appointment, but I'm not going to do that. But anyway, you got the idea. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.